How to download Facebook Messenger voice messages. Let's get started. You are able to download Facebook Messenger voice messages only in the web version. So, log into your Messenger account in the web version. Once you do that, now what you have to do is head towards the Chrome Web Store. Now you'll need to add this extension to your browser, download audio message, Messenger or Instagram. Add it. Once you do that, now you can navigate to the Messenger tab. Now refresh your Messenger page. With that, the extension will be added. Now click on this extension icon. Pin the extension that you have just added. Now click on the extension. All the voice messages of your Facebook will be available over here. The extension will automatically detect all the voice messages. Now clicking on this icon, you can easily download any of the voice message. So this is how you can easily download Facebook Messenger voice messages. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.